Punaka, good evening ladies and gentlemen. 9 o'clock update from the repair site at Princess Road. We are making inroads towards our repair works currently being undertaken. We are now working our way around the pipes, and we have finally managed to gain access to the side of the pipes. And as you can see behind me, we are currently dewatering the main line again to gain access to the fault site. We were able to gain access to the pipe as of 7:30 p.m. this evening, and we will be pumping over the next hour or so, and also the team will start carrying out the cleaning up around the pipes to be able to assess and start with the repair works on Princess Road. Water cutting is currently running. We have 40 trucks that is now servicing the affected areas. As I had mentioned earlier today, there is some delays because of the volume of requests that we're currently receiving, but please be rest assured that we will provide water cutting to you as fast as we are able to under the current conditions. That is your update for 9 p.m. this evening. But take this time to also apologize to those of you who are still facing water supply disruption. We are working as hard and as fast as we can to restore services to your individual households. Nakapakaliw.